comes to your mind when you hear recycling? Well, I think I know what you pictured, but I'm going to tell you a different sort of recycling. I'm Tara Ferlin, and during the summer of 2013, I did an internship with COSEE, Florida. I had the opportunity to work at Harbor Branch Oceanographic Institute with my mentors, Dr. John Scarpa and Dr. Paul Wills. Guess what? I learned a whole new way to recycle while growing fish and other aquatic organisms. The system my mentors are working on is called an IMTA system, which stands for Integrated Multi-Trophic Aquaculture. This system has large tanks that house many fish and shrimp being fed by the researchers. The waste from these sea animals are separated into three parts. The large, fast-settling waste is converted into a feed for sea urchins. The slow-settling small particles are being fed to oysters. And the soluble nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus are utilized as fertilizer to grow macroalgae, or you may know it as seaweed. What a new type of recycling, don't you think? In order to come up with a system such as this, the scientists' minds were hard at work. It takes many experiments in order to make the final product we see. Science is a very durable and robust field. When researchers find a system that works, they stick with it. However, with our exponentially growing population, sometimes systems and processes have the need to change. An example of this is how much seafood we consume each year. With the growing population, humans are consuming much more seafood now than ever before. This is why we need to make a change from our original seafood farming methods to a more cost-based and environmental-friendly method. That's the purpose of the IMTA system. So let's think of a recycling system that you can work on. Just because there may already be one in place at your school or home doesn't mean you can't help make it more efficient. Or maybe you will be the one to think of a whole new way to recycle. For more information on my research and research of other ocean scientists, go to coseeflorida.org.